Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. Today we are tackling a topics that might come up in your Google Search Console account. Atom files. Let's break down what they are, why they show up, and what you should do about them. So, first of all, we have to know what are atom files. Imagine you have subscribed to a website update. Instead of constantly checking the site, you get notification when something new is published. And that's where atom files come. They are a format for web feed, kind of like a digital newspaper for a website. Now the big question, why they are in Google Search Console. Google Search Console report on what it finds when crawling in your site. Sometimes this include atoms file if your website using website RSS feed. Now the big question, why they are in Google Search Console account. Google Search Console report on what it finds when crawling on your website. Sometimes it include atom files, especially if your website use RSS feed or if your website has RSS feed functionality or website update like blog or product update functionality, then Google Search Console find it when it's run crawling on your website and it's included on Google Search Console report. Should you remove them? The good news is that you don't have to remove them because it does not affect on your site ranking. Google Search Console just show the update or all the report on their reporting page. Actually, this is not any harmful for your website, especially for website ranking. So now the question, what you have to do? You can let them be. This is just simple information. You don't need to do anything for it. And right now we are going to show you how to block atom files from Google Search Console so that they don't include it on the Google Search Console report when it's run crawling your website. So now let's go to my computer screen and let me show you how we can block them or remove this report from Google Search Console so that it don't appear again on your Google Search Console. Okay, so first of all you have to go to your Shopify admin panel in your online store. Here is the Shopify admin panel. Then click sales channel, then click on the online store, and now click on this three dot icon, edit code, and search robot.txt file. Just type robot, then you will find robot.txt.liquid file. Click on this file to open it, then simply add a 2 line of code. Looks very carefully. Just create a space and paste 2 line of code. Okay, so you have to add this 2 line of code, then going to remove the space. I just make a space to show you. Okay, click save. Okay, now go to your Google Search Console account. Here is the Google Search Console account, then click pages. You can see that why pages are not indexed, and you can see that here is the duplicate without user selected canonical. Open this and affected page 14. Looks here, all the pages has .atom extension. Okay, as we have already added the code in the robot.txt.liquid file, disallow atom file, then we can click on the validated fix button to send request to Google.
you can see that validation started. Reload again and click on the pages. Looks here. Duplicate without user selected canonical started. That's mean Google start working to fix this issue or remove this issue from the Google Search Console account. So I hope you understand the easy process.
So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service, support, relevant Shopify, SEO or WordPress, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.